I'm Thomas from Indeco Design and Finishing Material One-Stop Solution Company. Let me explain our service for you. We are a company providing finished material with design service. When you finish your building skeleton, you will share us with your floor plan or blueprint. We'll discuss based on it. We'll communicate interior decoration style. Would you prefer modern, classic, minimalist, European style? After communication of our design mood board, we would need to spend 3 to 4 weeks to process the 3D renders for the whole area. And BOQ for finishing material should be ready from us after that. When everything is confirmed, we will need another 30 to 45 days for production of customized finishing material. What's left will be loading and shipping. Our service is not done yet. We also offer our technology and help you go through installation when material delivered to your construction site. If you are interested in our service, contact us for more information.